What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Few days back we made a video on getting OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition stuff on other smartphones. But in that video, we were not able to use entire theme of OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. But in this video, we'll show you how to get more stuff from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see I have my two phones, one is OnePlus 8 and the second one is OnePlus 7 Pro. Before even starting the video, I would like to thank RedSkulMods for porting OnePlus Nord 2 theme on OnePlus 7 series. But one thing you guys need to remember, your device should be rooted. The previous port which we saw, which was ported by Linux CT, in that we were not getting the boot animation from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. But that's not the case with RedSkulMods port. You just need to download the files, make sure you have Magisk installed. Let me show you the files. So this is the file which is from Linux CT. After that we have overlay mount from RedSkulMods and all this stuff from PAC-MAN edition for OnePlus 7 series. And to have the boot animation you need to flash additional Magisk module. All the links can be found in the description below. So here you can see on my OnePlus 7 Pro I have the entire theme of OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. This is a quick setting panel, and if you go to the settings, customization, here you can see under theme we have PAC-MAN. We also have the clock style from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition, followed by the fingerprint animation. You can also use PAC-MAN icon pack, and at last you will also see PAC-MAN alarm tone, ringtone and notification tones. So with this module you can get everything on your OnePlus 7 series from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. Now talking about the installation process, you just need to have Magisk Manager pre-installed. After that just go to the module section, and here you can see these are the modules which I have installed. If you are installing on your OnePlus 7 series, first you need to install this overlay mount fix. After that, here we have the theme from RedSkulMods, and I've also installed the module of Linux CT because in that we have live wallpapers from OnePlus PAC-MAN edition. And if you guys don't have the root access, I'll provide the ringtones and live wallpapers link in the description below, so you can use live wallpapers and ringtones without rooting your device. I've also made a video on that, so you guys can check out that video in the description below. So here you can see I've installed almost all the modules, and one more module which you need to install for the boot animation. So we have a different module for boot animation, which is PAC-MAN boot animation. Just install it using Magisk and later reboot the device. And there you can see the boot animation from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition. And boot animation zip doesn't work on OnePlus 8 series. So right now you can only use it on your OnePlus 7 series without having any kind of issues. On other OnePlus devices right now you can only use live wallpapers, ringtones and icon pack. On my OnePlus 8 I have also installed the Linux CT module, which you can see here. And after even installing this, I don't have working boot animation or even fingerprint animation. This module might work on other OnePlus phones, but I have personally tested on OnePlus 7 Pro and my OnePlus 8. But for the live wallpapers and other stuff, you can just install the APK file given in the description below, from where you can set any live wallpaper from OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition on any smartphone. So guys, this way you can get OnePlus Nord 2 PAC-MAN edition theme and other stuff on your OnePlus 7 series. If you still have any kind of questions, I'll leave RedSkulMods Telegram group in the description below. You can join his channel if you have any kind of questions. So as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also if you are new to our channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.